First, I really want to thank again, and this is something which I did in the first batch, but I'll be doing it in the second batch, third batch, every batch. I really, really want to thank Ram, Adit, Som, everyone, and we, it's a win-win, right? We both partners are so happy to work with each other because it's really bringing a lot of wealth of learning, understanding among each other, and it's really, really benefiting. By the way, Ram and Adit and so all three of you, we circulated your report across the CEO directs. Everybody was so appreciative about this initiative within the company, and they thought that this is real stuff because we all talk about training, self-paced, and all that. But honestly, we all know the effectiveness of those trainings, right? Sometimes they are just tick in the box, but this is really really different. Like it's like you're really preparing for um, making yourself a pilot who can really fly an airplane, right? Without the simulation, you cannot do that. We really need that. So, guys, I don't have much to say, but the what I have learned in my agile career, which spans now around 10, 12 years, I've been doing only agile. I don't know anything else. There are only two ways to learn. One is, you know, you learn and then you get yourself in the water and you swim well. Another thing is somebody pushes you into the water and you get drowned and somehow you learn to swim. I see 80% of us falling into the second category. We just become a scrum master. We just become agile coach, try to do few things, and that's not bad, right? Sometimes the situation demands so, but we have learned that way. And the while that was the demand of the situation, the bad part is that you sometimes don't learn the art of doing the things. You learn the science of doing the things. Like you can cook a recipe, no problem with that, but your mother would be cooking like, and you will say, wow, that's something, because she puts the art in doing that, right? And that is exactly what happens to all agile roles. Take scrum master, agile coach, whatever, right? Anybody can learn it. I mean, I give you a 1 hour training and say, oh, agile stuff, it's easy, I just have to do 4 ceremonies, that's it, there is a backlog, done, boss, I'm ready, I am an agile coach now, right? The problem is the art of doing the things, and this is art of doing the things is when you start facing those challenges, real life challenges, and then you start acting in the most appropriate manner. That is where you characterize your real role, and that is where you have to, when you start playing that role in that with as per that character, that makes you a champion, right? That is what we are trying to do with this simulation exercise, right? This is not just a training. Please, my request would be, yes, you may have a lot of fun, laughs and all that, but this is like gold mine for agile, because you will not learn these things even if the situation arises. I'm not sure if you will run, because you may be doing the same things as you have been doing. This is a pivot. This is where you learn how to do things properly and not the way you have been doing probably for last 3 years, 4 years and 5 years, and you always thought that is the right way and you're not getting the results, right? This is where the simulation program is very, very important. We are putting a very high importance to this simulation program across LTI. We are very excited about it, and I'm sure you must have learned a lot in this training. And you are a lucky batch because there are not too many who have gone through this simulation. I would like to close with 3 things you can take away from this program. One is simulate the simulation, right? You know how to simulate. Now, whenever such things arises in your real life, please simulate. It may look like a little bit of drama, but don't worry about it. Simulate, right? Simulate so that other people can get into that group. You also get into that group. The problem with the training is we go through the training and then forget. Please don't do that. Second, I would like to say is be brave. Be brave means, see, you have been doing the things in the way you have been doing. whenever you want to make a change, you have to confront a lot of people. And by the way, when I say a lot of people, it may mean clients also. You have to be brave and say, hey guys, this is really not the correct way. This is not the right attitude, or this is not the right behavior to show when such a situation arises. We should do it this way, right? You have learned it. Now you know it. You know the benefit. Why don't you go and be brave and do that, right? Third and most important thing is, not everybody is going to get a chance to learn in this way, right? So please lift others. Um, Whoever you touches through your contacts in the next coming months or year, please tell them, please lift them to the right behavior, right? By the way, we have few people in this program who would be taking a role of, partnering with Ram and other teams in doing co-coaching or co-training also. So you have to lead the way. So I am sure you had a lot of fun, and I continue to do so. Please remember these three things. I think this will bring a lot of benefit to everyone, right? So thanks everyone for joining this. Thanks again, Ram, and cheers to everybody. Thank you.
Thanks very much. Ashish, that was very kind words, and I think food for thought as well with what you have communicated, what you've said to the entire team. Thank you very much for coming by and also showing your continued support to this whole initiative that you've set out for NTI, and we're very happy to support you through that initiative as well.
Absolutely.
Before you leave, I just wanted to quickly point out that the 18 participants who were here for the last 3 days, they've been fantastic participants. They've been really working hard. They were committed to the whole program. I especially want to call out Jaya and Sridevi. They're logging in from Canada, and it's 4 a.m. in the morning for them, or 4:30 if I'm not wrong. And they've been at it for the last 3 days at the same time. So a big round of applause for them as well.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thanks, Ashish.